The team from Entroy held an AMA this morning about Eternal Paradox, a new 4X RPG in late development with a planned release by the end of 2022. As Entroy is a Korean studio, the AMA itself was conducted in Korean. In case you missed the AMA itself or just need some translated highlights, fear not. We've got your back. You must be thinking, what is Entroy? Entroy is a development studio under Endream, which has put out Oceans and Empires, Pirates of the Caribbean, The War of Genesis, and Crossfire Warzone. During the AMA, we met two of the producers for some of those games, Jijin Song and Once Up Kwon. Now let's talk about Eternal Paradox. But before that, welcome back to your channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hearing about the game directly from the developers is always the best way to get the info as a player. You can hear how enthusiastic they are and how much passion they have for their game. That was our big takeaway, but for those of you who are all about that juicy information, here's everything you're after in this video. Eternal Paradox is a turn-based RPG where you build a band of mercenaries to fight for you. You can also build and grow your own castle over time to prepare for battles. Eternal Paradox combines a 4X strategy game with turn-based RPG genre in a unique and exciting way. It is a turn-based RPG. They have a few interesting mercenary characters. It will feature intro battles, adventure mode, arena, and guild arena systems. You will grow your castles and go into the fields. You will interact with many players, your friends, and enemies. The ultimate goal is to conquer the battle for the Ring of Ruin. The game will have a season-based structure culminating in a massive battle to close out each season. This will be a battle to control the Ring of Ruin, a mysterious object with the potential to doom the world. Players will fight to control it for ultimate rewards and greatest accomplishment in the game. After knowing the game, let's discuss about the rewards they give to the players, because that's what actually matters. Eternal Paradox will be a full-on Web3 game built on Gala's new proprietary blockchain. P2E rewards will be seasonal, and land NFTs can provide mutually beneficial rewards to owners and residents. The game will start with 4 basic mercenaries, but the team hopes to have up to 20 available, including NFT heroes at launch. Or Kin1 from the dev team said, the plan is to start with 5 characters from each family. Each mercenary will be a part of one of 4 distinct kins. At the moment, each of these groups of kin roughly translate to Breath of the Wind, Pirates, Guardian Angels, and Wanderers. The developers have also planned for building and skin NFTs to be used in your castle, but heroes and land will come first. So what actually is unique about this game? Eternal Paradox gives hybrid RPG 4X experience. Eternal Paradox follows the standard 4X basics: explore, exploit, expand, and exterminate. One major difference is the addition of RPG-style turn-based combat. This blend of 2 genres makes Eternal Paradox especially interesting. Once every 9 weeks, the battle for the Ring of Ruin will commence once more. With 20 mercenaries at launch to collect and train, players will need to strengthen their fighters by running daily missions, participating in PvP, and competing in the arena. These activities will also earn you silver points, which will set your rank. Higher ranks can potentially earn more EBX token rewards. Winning the Battle of the Ring is the ultimate goal each 9 weeks and can earn you a massive EPX prize. And obviously, guys, managing this level of advanced game is not an easy task for the Gala Games development team. The team expects to have Eternal Paradox out by the end of 2022 on as many platforms as they can. They also plan to have multiple servers so they can host asynchronous content and intend to host guild-level battles across the multiple servers. Both PvP and PvE are in the works. And with all the options available, if you wanted to play diplomatically or act only in a support role for your guild mates, you can play Eternal Paradox that way as well. Quests and missions will also be presented from players to gain bonuses and experience for their mercenaries. Now that everyone is acquainted, Entroy would like to get more engagement and information from the community. While the team can't guarantee anything quite yet, they are hopeful to have multiple playtests before release. After all this info, you must be excited about it for sure, and so I am. The world of Eternal Paradox. There's a lot to get into for this game, but we'll try to give you the basic rundown. The Ring of Ruin lies at the center of Elysium. With the death of Carl the Time Traveler, the rings began to spin again. Carl left a prophecy, though when the ring stops spinning, the world will face destruction. Every 63 days, the ring slows and threatens to stop. There is great power in the ring, and as players compete for that power, someone must rise to unlock the ring's secrets and use its power to turn back time. This is where Eternal Paradox's seasons come in. Elysium is literally locked in eternal struggle. And guys, how it can be possible to not having NFTs and blockchain involved in a game developed by the Gala Games team? Let's have a look at it. NFTs and blockchain elements. Eternal Paradox NFTs are currently planned in 3 forms: land, heroes, castle building skins. Balance, as always, will be the trickiest thing for any developer to tackle. Eternal Paradox's team is prioritizing getting balance right by ensuring any free players or those with less rare NFTs can be competitive by focusing and outplaying the competition. Frequent logins and doing all of your missions each day should have a large cumulative effect on your progression through the game. Those with Eternal Paradox NFTs will potentially benefit from them, but the development team wanted to make sure these benefits were never overwhelming to other players. To wrap it up nicely here, Eternal Paradox is a hybrid turn-based RPG/4X game that reinvents familiar genres in an exciting new way. The expert developers at Entroy hopes to release Eternal Paradox by the end of 2022 should all go as planned. With Galaverse approaching, there's sure to be much more news coming up. Tell us your own thoughts about this new game, Eternal Paradox, in the comment section below. So, that is all we have for you today. Consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.